everyone, welcome to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how you can log in into the Twitch account. So for that, open a Google browser on your PC, click open a new tab. There on the search bar, you type in twitch.com and press enter, which will direct you to the official webpage of Twitch. On the official webpage of Twitch, you need to move your mouse cursor to the login over here at the right side of your screen. Click that. It will show you the login text box, and here you need to provide your username and the password. Type in the username of yours. Below, type in the password. And then click on login. This will get you logged in into the account right away. Make sure that you type in the correct account details, that is the correct username and the correct password. Here's your profile details at the right side of your screen. So this is how you can log in into the Twitch. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.